There you go. Oh.
This is Mike and Mr. Paul trying to get a bird out of our house that's been in our microwave for quite some time now.
Hey, if you make $1 million on YouTube, I get half.
He's right here, man. He's all tired.
Squeeze him. Can you squeeze him?
Oh, now he's under.
Oh my god. Oh man.
Now he's on the back side.
Oh. Let me get out of here before.
Oh shit.
Oh! Go!
This bird loves the kitchen.
I don't know where he went though.
He's over there.
He's right there. Yeah, there he is. Oh my god. Oh man, I'm gonna.
Get out of the house already.
Oh
Damn,
man.
buddy.
God, this bird is stupid. What is wrong with him? Oh man.
Freedom is right there, you dumbass. Yes. Oh, follow you. That was awesome. I was trying to smack him that way.
I was trying to cover him with the pillow.
Oh my god. Oh!
Yeah, he's down now.
Oh. Yeah, no, he's still alive.
Oh man. Oh nope, he's still up. Oh.
Bird.
Freedom
Really, dude?
Freedom's out there.
I'm really getting ready to just kill this goddamn thing. Get out of my house. That way.
He keeps flying back and forth.
Oh, yeah.
You got it. You got it. No!
Why'd you let it go?
How did you do that?
Like this, you picked up your pillow.
Oh my god.
Can you imagine us drunk doing this?
All this would be destroyed right now. Oh, honey, I got the bird up. $7,000 worth of damage.
Oh my god. Oh.
First step for renovation.
It's getting kind of chilly now in the house. I want the bird out.
Where'd he go?
I think he went under, like, right underneath it.
You don't have a vent down there,
No,
do you?
move your butt. Sticky feet. There it is.
Is he down? Oh.
Get it.
Oh,
Oh, why don't you come over on this side? On this side. Here, move that. Move this, Joe. Move this. I'm gonna try to push him towards you.
oh, I'm definitely showing this to mom later. Oh.
As long as he doesn't fly.
Oh, he's stuck under the Malibu thing.
Just squeeze him in with the pillow. I mean, with the broom.
All right, I got him.
Scoop him this way. In here. Ready? Don't.
Wow.
Oh.
I see feathers.
He's going the other way.
Where?
He
I
did.
see feathers.
Ah.
Oh my gosh.
Here we go again.
Can you take this board? Can you get this board?
And there's
Put out-
more feathers.
We got bats inbound.
We got bats inbound. I like the way he said that.
We got birds inbound.
Is he done?
Here, I'll take a look up there. Or you can.
We got
Can't
birds
even see that
inbound.
high.
Well, I can't. I mean, like.
He's not there. It's
No. He's there. He's done. He is done.
Yeah, stand on the countertop.
This is a disaster waiting to happen. Right here.
Don't fall now, because I'll get on video.
No, he's not.
He's not down there?
What?
Is he down there? He's got. Don't tell me he got stuck in between the wall and the.
Oh.
You know where he is? He's up there. He is right there. I see his feet.
Oh yeah.
Okay, let me move this. What we can do is get that laundry basket up underneath, then knock him down into it.
this bird is
And
getting
then
my
that way
nerves.
he
And
can
I see
fly.
feathers all over my house.
Well, here we go again. Oh.
Oh, now I'm gonna get this bird out.
Get out of my you son of a bitch! God damn, stupid! Right there!
Freedom.
Good.
Right there in
Feathers
the
are
middle.
there.
Why don't I move this against the wall?
Oh, let's get plate. Let's get food.
Oh.
Now
Food.
he can only come out.
One way.
He's not gonna want to come out that way.
Well, he's like stuck. I need to move that Malibu.
Come here.
Oh man.
Watch out, Joe.
We got birds inbound.
Watch out, Joe.
It's the attack of the killer
Joey,
bird.
watch out, watch out, watch out.
Everywhere.
Oh man.
Oh, there it is.
Ah,
Where did
You know,
it go? Where'd it
he
go?
went behind the pin thing, I think.
Yeah, get it, get it.